going to be showing you how to perform some basic assisted PNF stretching on the plantar flexors and dorsiflexors of the ankle. When we are stretching the dorsiflexors, we are going to be focusing on the anterior tibialis, among other muscles. When we are stretching the plantar flexors, we will be stretching out the soleus, the gastrocnemius. There's going to be a few different variations. To stretch out the dorsiflexors, what you are going to do is with one hand, you are going to stabilize just above the ankle. The other hand, you are going to wrap around the foot, and you are going to take them into plantar flexion. So by taking them into plantar flexion, we are going to be stretching the anterior tibialis and the other muscles responsible in dorsiflexion. Now, once we have them in as much of a stretch as they can go, you're going to give a couple taps, and I want you to bring your toes towards your head. And relax. And then if we want to add an antagonist contraction, what we can do is we'll give a couple taps. I want you to bring your ankle to 90 degrees. And now point your toes towards the floor. And they will assist you in the stretch. So that was one way to stretch out the plantar flexors, or one way to stretch out the dorsiflexors. Next, I'm going to show you how to perform the stretch on the plantar flexors. So to stretch the plantar flexors, what we are going to do is take them into dorsiflexion. What we're going to do for this one, same thing. You're going to stabilize with the hand above the ankle. Your other hand is going to be just at the below the calcaneus. You are going to take them into dorsiflexion, and then I want you to push into my hands. So, like you're driving a car, push on the gas. Yeah. And then you're going to give them, after 4 to 7 seconds, a tap to let them know to relax, and you will take them deeper into the stretch. And this will be another variation with an added antagonist contraction. So push into my hands. And now bring your toes towards your head. This variation right over here is fine if you have a smaller client. If you have someone who's very large, it can be very strenuous. So another way that you could perform this stretch is by using the weight of your body. So what you can do is with one hand, you can grab a hold of the bottom of the calcaneus. The other hand can be just below the ankle, and then you can perform the exact same movements by pulling the calcaneus towards your shoulder and pushing your shoulder into their body. And same thing, you give a couple taps, they're going to press on the gas, and then relax. And then you could also perform this with an added antagonist contraction. Because the knee is straight in this one right over here, it's focusing mostly on the gastrocnemius. If we want to focus on the soleus, what we would do is have the client in prone, so you're going to turn onto your stomach. And we are going to perform the same stretch, but with the knee bent. So same thing, one hand is going to be just above the ankle to stabilize, other hand is going to wrap over top, and you are going to take them into a stretch, a couple taps, and they are going to press on the gas. After 4 to 7 seconds, one tap to relax. And then if you want to add an antagonist contraction, 2 taps, press. And 1 tap, bring your toes towards the ground. And they will assist you in the stretch. And that is how we perform some assisted PNF stretching on the plantar and dorsiflexors of the ankle.